friends, Running Kimono, happy Easter. I hope that all of you that are celebrating Easter are having a wonderful Sunday. And if you don't, and if you have an itch to get out to Walgreens, my goodness gracious, I found 90% off baby stuff. Even if you need to take a quick break from Easter festivities to head out to the store to maybe look for this stuff, if you're looking for diapers, 90% off. I even got them cheaper. This might be the video for you. But if you're staying home and avoiding the store today, I fully respect that as well. I'm wishing you all a very happy Easter. And if you could do me a huge favor and give this video a big thumbs up, it would mean so much to me. Really helps out the channel if you could take a quick second and like this video. Okay, so the first item that we're going to look for are these Pampers Cruisers in either the size 4 or the size 3. That's how I saw them tagged for $1.49, which is 90% off. Clearance's year mileage may vary, meaning what's happening here in Michigan might be happening in Texas. However, it might not be happening in Rhode Island. Usually Saturdays and Tuesdays when these orange magical stickers appear. Your mileage may vary. That's what that means. I have this digital coupon that showed up this morning, which is a 3 off a 2. And yes, it is attaching to the clearance bags. If you can be so lucky to track down 3 of those bags, even if you mix and match the size 3 and 4, ask for a price check. You might be surprised. $4.47 for the 3. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $1.47 for the 3 or 49 cents per bag. Now, I understand there's supposed to be a register reward printing. It did not print for me, guys, just to note that. Just to show you, I did scan the tag in with the Walgreens app, and this is the picture of the size 3 that was also $1.49. So be on the lookout for that, and don't be shy to ask for a price check if you're seeing the visuals of what I'm showing you. Ninjamas, I believe, I saw a couple shoppers from the Texas region getting these also for $1.49, and we have $1 off 3 digital coupons. So if you see the Ninjamas, ask for a price check, guys. And this would be the same price at 49 cents with this 3 off a 2. Other baby stuff, if you're trying to stock up on baby supplies, definitely just moonwalk to the baby aisle at Walgreens. 50 cents for these baby oils, which is a really good price point, 90% off. And I think this is some sort of baby wipes, some awesome photography here, but I do see an IVC below it. Load that IVC, whatever this wipe is, and you possibly can get them for free. Some sort of sensitive 72 count wipe. So sorry guys, my photography was just not, it wasn't great this morning. But look for wipes, diapers, that sort of stuff. I think a lot of creams as well, a lot of baby stuff, 90% off. Also, if you head over to the coupons.com app, lots of rebates that popped up this morning. So going with these 90% products, if you can get it to match up with these digital coupons, if you're not using a coupon, by all means apply for these little rebates with the coupons.com app. Also a ton of feminine care, 90% off as well. So definitely walk down that aisle. It's really close to the diaper aisle, feminine care. So I would see what they have. You might be surprised. And these were in fact ringing up BOGO 50% off. So for 2 of them, it was 90 cents. Okay, let's talk about the Centrum vitamins. We're looking for 100 count for $10.99 this week. The original price is $14.99, so it's just a penny shy of $15, which is really expensive. Now, grab either the men or the women's and look at the bottle specifically that you're grabbing the 100 count. Devil is in the details. In smaller markets such as I'm living, they don't sell the 80 or 90 count anymore. It's 100 count or larger. Especially if your store has limited stock, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's 100 count. So grab one of these for $10.99. If you were so lucky to load this digital coupon about a week and a half ago, it's a $4 off. Alternatively, there's also a $2 digital. I love these chewy gummy vitamins, so I would always pick this up. Now, just to show you, because a lot of people were saying IBOTTA, it doesn't attach. I have my app open here, and yes, it does attach. So grabbing one of these for $10.99, subtracting that $4 digital, $6.99. Getting back $4 from IBOTTA, it drops down to $2.99. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay it. And just to show you, IBOTTA credited me the $4, so what a terrific deal. The next deal that I would absolutely do is with the Cheerios cereal for $1.99. I just want to point something out, guys. Look at this tag. Original price is $5.99. Oh my gosh, like save $4. We have this digital coupon, which is $1 off too, so make sure that you have it loaded. So here's the math. Two of those Cheerios at $1.99 is $3.98. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $2.98 out of pocket, making a 50-cent submission twice to IBOTTA, dollar back. So it makes it $1.98 for the two, or 99 cents per box. It's $6 down to 99 cents. That's a no-brainer of a deal. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. And just to show you guys, here's the 50-cent rebate from IBOTTA, so make sure you have that guy loaded. Okay, so the paper deal of the week, I think, goes to Scott. We're going to grab a paper towel and a toilet paper priced at $5 a pop. Well, I guess they were really thinking about us this Easter Sunday, and we have this $1.25 IVC coupon, so load it. Just to note, IVC is of a one-time use, so use it. Buy both of them together. We're going to grab a paper towel and we're going to load this manufacturer coupon, $1 off. And then for the toilet paper, we also have this $1 off that is attaching. So grabbing one toilet paper and then one paper towel, that's $10 on the nose. The IVC will come off twice, so $2.50 will come off altogether, along with $2 in digital coupons, $1 for the paper towel and $1 for the toilet paper. You're paying $5.50 for the two, or $2.75 per. And if you want to use some Walgreens cash, you're doing this without a booster, go for it. Okay, if you need to refill your Airwick Essential Mister, these are on sale this week for $6.49. You're going to grab two of them. I know a lot of people just absolutely love this product. We're going to be loading this digital coupon, which is a BOGO free. And here's the mathematics, guys. Two of the oils is $12.98. Subtracting that BOGO free coupon, you're going to pay $6.49 for the two. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash or even store register rewards. Now, this, I believe, is a laundry deal of the week, 3 for $8 for various Tide Simply, Downy, and Bounce products. You're going to keep your eyes peeled in the store for this tag, like whatever's ringing up either in the app or with this tag. Original price point, $5.79. That stuff must be made out of gold. And also these, I mean, who doesn't like it when they're super uber cheap? So you're going to grab 3 of them, and yes, you can mix and match if you wish. This is what I grabbed, some pods, a liquid, and a Downy, because I'm fancy. And then load the following digital coupons, these 250 centers, and one of them is attaching to the fabric softener, just to note that, because if you're like, I don't like Tide Simply, just read the details of the coupon. Grabbing 3 of them for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $7 for 3, or $2.33 per. I think that's a fabulous price point. And if you're doing this without a booster, by all means, use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. So the final deal that we have, guys, is with the Olay. If you might have that booster of spend 20, get back 5, unfortunately, I don't. I'm hoping something prints out of the Catalina machine later in this week, because I'd love to get some Olay. But we're going to grab 3 of them, whichever flavors you want. I like the sea mineral one because I'm a fancy girl. Make sure that you have this friend loaded, which is the 5 off of 3. Looking at the math for this, 3 of the Olay body washes is $21 on the nose. Subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital. Have your booster loaded of spend 20, get back 5. Pay $16 with your debit card. You're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash plus a $5 register reward for buying 3 of these body washes. It shakes it out $6 for the 3, or $2 per body wash. $2 for Olay, that is a solid deal. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash, because this is using a booster in this deal. As always, thanks for watching, and I'm wishing you all a very happy Easter. We will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.